This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Skaff-Gregg. Wonderfully open main level floor plan that include a playroom/office, living room, formal dining room, updated oak kitchen with brand new stylish sink and bathroom with corner shower and main floor laundry. The bedrooms upstairs are large and offer nice closets. Full bath up has jet tub and pedestal sink. The backyard has a large patio, gazebo, green space and new privacy fence 2017 great for entertaining. The main floor window were new in 2012, new carpet 2016. New roof, vinyl siding and gutter 2015. New high-F furnace and central air 2020, new water heater 2017. New shingles on the garage being installed. For more information, review the